Hi everybody, we're back with more Revit training, and I've got some done this. We did this card here, but I had these families that I created over here of kiosks that are families I worked on. Actually, so these are parametric. I'm going to go into my type properties, so I can change the size of this. So this is actually a parametric one. Uh, Let's see if I can move that out of the way. And we want to say the height, we want to make this, say 10 feet tall. Okay, good. Didn't break. And then, so these are pretty nice. You can stack them together, whatever. But actually, I can break this family down and show you how this is created, because I did one from I think it's Balkan Architect. I sort of looked at what he had done in his, and it's pretty good. You can go to really break down the basis on that one. But for this one, I want to just go and open this family up. I want to edit this type, edit the family, and then I'll go into my front view here. So these are the parameters that we have set up, and that we need to be flexible. So we got our height here. Which is in the type properties. At 10 now, it's probably going to be more like 8. Now, I had some issues with the width here, I think. Let's see if I can fix that now. What's this we got here? Let's give this a go. I want to show you if I can fix this in this quick little video. Kind of like to do this in window tile. Well, actually, I don't, because short videos. So I'll tab it back out. Just tab these views. So I'm going to do our width parameter. So I probably would break this down for everybody. Okay, to do an actual straight up family here, because I guess you understand these are just regular arcs and everything. So let me just do the width right quick, and then I'll probably come back and do another video how you actually build this family, because it is a little sophisticated. So I'm going to go and say type properties here, width, I'm going to say 3. No, I'm going to go 4. That's a bit extreme. Okay. Okay, so I got an issue right here with this, and that should be an easy fix. I think I know why that's doing that. But anyway, I'm going to undo that, and I'm going to fix this. But I think everybody understands how this family is going to work to be parametric. Now let's go into the reference level here. And all this basically are the 3 sides. Well, let's do one right quick. I'm going to go File, New Family. I'm going to grab a English Imperial, generic model. Open. Let's go into the front view. And I'm going to do a reference plane. Hopefully I can get this done right quick, guys, because I don't like long videos, as you know. But you get the idea. I mean, everybody should know how to do this. Just basically, I'm just going to create these reference planes, give them parameters. So that's the top of it, and then I need something equal. Everything's got to be equal distance, whatever. Go here, create similar one there, one there. So this is basically, repetitious stuff that we do. And everybody should know this, so I'm not going to dwell on this. Because you want to move on, you got these guys here. I'll at least go up to the, if this is not equal, here, that's the top parameter for the width. And then, yeah, so here, that's the outside of the, that's our frame, basically. And then on top view, you have the reference level. You have the width and the width, which brings us to this. Okay, I'm sorry. Sorry, guys. So this is basically the profile of the family that you should come up with. Front view. This reference planes and fillets of whatever size, and then let's go in our left view here. But yeah, you got to give it. You got to give this some reference planes and fillets and depths. And then, like I said, this parametric, you can make it wider, taller, and whatever. So hey guys, I just wanted to show you this a quick video. Somebody asked me about what are those guys in the background. Yeah, those are, where are they? Sorry. Kiosks, basically. And I saw them with from one of my colleagues, Balkan Architect. Thanks for that, sir. That's something they do over there in this country. And all right. So hey guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Also, you can get this thing finishes and whatever, because if I can find it, my goodness. So this one should be there. Yeah. You can get these in different shades and colors and material and everything. So that's how it works. So anyway guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Helps me make videos and things like this all the time. So yeah, y'all be safe and bye.